OCOM brand is since 2007, and it's a reliable one-stop supplier for post-related products and qualified by global Fortune 500 companies. Based on its basic beliefs, integrity-based, strive for excellence, win-win cooperation, OCOM has established stable and reliable partnerships with more than 3,000 customers from 165 countries. Some of them are the major distributors in their territories. OCOM has an experienced professional team, consists of marketing, R&D, production, QA, and sales. The management members have worked in the famous public companies as senior managers for many years. It brings us the scientific management system in every process. All of the sales representatives are proficient in foreign languages and have strong sense of responsibility. These help us to meet and exceed the customer's satisfaction. The strong R&D capability is sensitive to market demands and keep up with industry trends. We launch more than 40 innovative new models every year. OEM, ODM orders are welcome. OCOM has been sticking to the quality system of ISO 9001-2015. We have CE, FCC, and other required certifications. We make strict IQC, IPQC, and OQC inspection as per industrial standard. All products must pass 24 hours aging test before shipment, and they have 12 months warranty. Our efficient and flexible manufacturing ability can ensure big capacity and short lead time. Together, we quest for the best.
Hi everyone, welcome to OCOM. We are a reliable one-stop supplier for point-of-sales products. Our products including thermal printer, post machine, cash drawer, and barcode scanner. Welcome to contact us.